Is that good, Pedro? You gonna let your girls eat now? Okay. Right on, bud. There you go, girls. Pedro's gonna let you guys eat. Such a gentleman, isn't he? What's going on, Pedro? That jumpy cat out there spook ya? Here, Pedro. Will you eat out of my hand this morning? Oh yeah, no problem there. No problem there, huh? Just too bad it's not like strawberries or something juicy and sweet, huh? Just plain old feed. You want that ring? You want that ring? He's more interested in the ring. The girls are calling you. Get over here, Pedro.